In this video, you'll learn how to remove a website from your Ionos account using the Ionos control panel. Whether you're cleaning up old projects, deactivating a test site, or starting fresh with a new design, I'll walk you through each stage so you know exactly what to click and what to look out for. First, make sure you're logged in to your Ionos control panel in your web browser. This is the main dashboard where you manage all of your Ionos products like domains, hosting, and websites. Once you're signed in and you're on that home screen, you're ready to begin. Look for the main navigation area, usually at the top or along the side of the page. Here you'll see an option labeled Menu. Go ahead and click on Menu. When that opens, you'll see several categories of services you can manage. From those options, choose Websites and Stores. This is the section where Ionos groups all of your website, projects, site builders, and online store setups. After you click Websites and Stores, you'll be taken to a page that shows tiles or cards, each representing one of your websites. Take a moment to identify the website you want to remove. This is important because if you have multiple sites, you want to be sure you're working on the correct one. Check the website title, the domain connected to it, or any thumbnail preview that Ionos shows to confirm it's the right project. On the tile for the website you want to remove, look for a button or link that says Manage Website. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the detailed management area for that specific site. Think of this as the control center just for that website where you can adjust settings, edit content, connect domains, and in this case, remove or reset the site. Once the website management area has loaded, focus on the sidebar or settings section. Depending on your exact Ionos setup and the type of website product you're using, this might appear on the left side or sometimes as a settings tab. You're looking for an option that mentions either reset website or uninstall. These labels can vary slightly depending on the product version, but they generally mean the same thing, removing or wiping the current website setup. Take your time to locate this area. It may be under a general settings heading, an advanced section, or a similar category. When you find the reset website or uninstall option, don't click it just yet. First, think about what removing the site means for you. Reset website usually means clearing the current content and starting from scratch with the same website tool. Uninstall might mean completely removing the site instance from your Ionos account, which can affect connected domains or email forwarding if you had those tied in. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to make sure you've backed up any content you might want later, like text, images, or settings. You can copy text to a document, download images, or take screenshots of important configurations. Once you're confident that you're ready to remove the site and you understand that this action may be difficult or impossible to reverse, you can go ahead and use the reset website or uninstall option to complete the process. And that's all it takes. You've navigated to your Ionos control panel, opened the Websites and Stores section, selected the correct website, and found the reset or uninstall area so you can safely remove your site when you're ready.